Bonjour mga madam! So, unbox with me itong mga Goyard na pre-order nyo po. This is the Boheme color maroon. And then the other color is green. So, tatlo po itong maroon. Dalawa po maroon and then isang green yung ating Boheme. So, this is the two different color of Boheme. So, ngayon po, ipapakita ko po this one. This is the maroon San Luis tote. This is 109,880 pesos only. So, as you can see, this is the San Luis tote and this costs 109,880. Marami na po kaming na-sold dito. Ibahin natin yung style natin. And ayan. Nagulat din po kami kasi nag-iba na yung style ng Goyard. So, ayan siya yung magic niya dyan. Ang downside ng San Luis, ayaw nila kasi nga open tote lang siya. So, ito na po yung pang-close nyo. Also, mga madam, you can use it as a handle ng inyong shades. Ayan, ganyan siya po. Very to go na si San Luis, mga madam. And I'm sure marami sa inyong mag-o-order na tong clip na ito kasi very versatile. And of course, it added security on your bag, no? Also comes with a pouch, as you can see. For inquiries, kindly message us at Baggage PH because your happiness is our success.